Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. Breakfast, the most important meal of the day, and we all like toast with our breakfast, and like me in the past, you're tempted just to take a piece of toast and slop some peanut butter on. But I decided to do something different. I made up some avocado toast. So I've got a mango avocado, an orange avocado, a tomato avocado, and an apple avocado. So let's make these up and figure out which one's the best. Okay, what I've got here to kick things off, guys, are some avocados, and I've cut them in half and popped the pit. Next up, I'm going to scoop the flesh out and add it to a bowl. I don't know about you, but I just love avocados and they're healthy. Now I'm going to take my plastic masher here and mash it up until it's mushy. And of course, I'm doing a number of avocados here. If you're only doing one, you can use a fork or something like that. So my first avocado toast, and what I've done is I've taken a honey and oats brown bread. And you want a good brown bread, you don't have to use this, but whatever you like. And put my avocado over the top and smooth it out real nice. Lay some nice tomatoes over the top. Some chopped basil, fresh out of the garden. And a drizzle of balsamic vinegar. And that's our first tomato and basil avocado toast. For the next one, same process. Take the avocado and spread it over the toast. Then take some oranges and spread them across the top, just like the tomatoes. Then once again, some fresh basil. And then a drizzle of balsamic vinegar. This is my favorite vinegar. Makes great salad dressing too. And that's our orange avocado toast. And for our last one, I've got some mango that I've chopped up, some bell pepper, onion, a few chili flakes just to give it that heat. Make it like a dragon. Cilantro. And some balsamic vinegar. Then I'm just going to give this a mix up. This even smells good. Same process. Take the avocado and spread it over the toast. And I'm going to spoon my mango salsa over the top. And there you have it, number 3, our mango avocado toast. And for the last one, I'm going to take kind of some thinly sliced apples. And last but not least, a drizzle of honey. And there you have it, our honey apple avocado toast. I like them all, but my favorite here is the mango. Doesn't that look spectacular? It is so good. That mixture of flavors just comes together incredible.
For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for watching and subbing, and see you next time.